The Reading Wizards Phonics Lessons for Kids. Teaching videos, interactive follow-up activities, and assessments. Great for the classroom and at home. Here's a preview of Lesson 53. Words with the AR spelling, plus the 2 sounds of ED.
I'm here in the market to do some shopping.
Excuse me, Paralee, I need to get past you.
Bubba, you're driving your car in the market? You're not supposed to do that.
Well, I know it isn't very smart, but I couldn't find a cart, nor could I find a place to park. Plus, we will add the suffix ed to form new words. You added ed to the end of help. That makes it helped? No, that doesn't sound right. Helped? There you go, helped. In this word, the letters ed make the sound d.
Now let's do the words where ED is making the D sound.
Absolutely. Walk.
D.
Walk. Play.
D.
Played.
And when the manager told him he couldn't drive his car inside the store, Bubba's car died. So I walked to the store to help Bubba out.
You helped him? How?
I helped him when I pushed his car out of the store and back to the barn.
Duke pushed Bubba's car back to the farm. Look at this word. Add. Add. No, that doesn't sound right. That's because ed doesn't always make the d sound. Uh-oh. Whenever ed comes after the letters d or t, it makes the sound ed. Ed, huh? So then this word is add ed. Added, like when you add up numbers. That's right.
Dust.
Ed.
Dusted.
Dusted.
Lift.
Ed.
Lifted.
Did.
I must dust the bust. Oh dear.
Oh.
I dusted the bust. The bust landed on the floor.
The bust is busted. Well, at least you no longer have to dust the bust.
We are offering the first 5 lessons for free. That's right, you can get your child started with 5 free lessons, and we strive to keep the remaining lessons affordable. You can buy 1 lesson at a time or buy bundles of lessons to save money. Here's how to get started. Go to our website, thereadingwizards.org, and click on the Get Lessons tab. The Reading Wizards want to help your child unlock the mysteries of reading and have some fun doing it. Check us out today. The Reading Wizards from Lucky Cat Productions.